Here we are in the Mekong Delta, where nature meets culture. If you're into boating and experiencing authentic local life, our My Tho one-day tour is designed for you. Our adventure begins at 7:30 a.m. Hop on the van and we'll head to My Tho City, just 2 hours away. Don't worry about breakfast, we'll stop at Mekong Rest Stop for coffee and a delicious breakfast to fuel your day. Now prepare to be awestruck by Tiền Giang Pagoda, built in the late 19th century and recognized as National Historical and Cultural Relic in 1984. From the outside, you'll be overwhelmed by 3 huge Buddha statues. As you get closer, the iconic beauty of the architectural design combining Vietnamese, Chinese, Cambodian, and Roman influences is sure to leave you breathless. Once you step inside, you'll be captivated by the shining golden details on the carvings and Buddha statue. Now let's change the vibe. Let the water lead you to Unicorn Island, where you'll see the local way of life here in the Mekong Delta. Savor the taste of seasonal tropical fruits while enjoying the sounds of traditional Southern Vietnamese music. This music connects generations in Southern families with lyrics that tell stories of the farmers' simple, honest, and liberating lives in the region. Even if you don't understand the words, the unique riffs and runs will surely move you. Next, we'll visit a bee farm where a cup of local honeybee will add a touch of sweetness to our journey. Now this is the highlight of the trip. Wear a conical hat and feel the gentle breeze while taking a peaceful rowing boat through the Coconut Canal. Welcome to Tiền Giang Province, the Kingdom of Coconut. Walk through village and take one more tuk-tuk. We head to a local restaurant for lunch. After lunch, we'll take another Coconut Canal journey. Here we are at the factory to witness the fascinating process of making coconut candy. Then, another boat trip takes us to the other side of the island where you'll experience a unique floating fish farm. Look at all those fish. Can you guess how many? It's 50,000. And it is the end of the tour. We'll head to the station and go back to Saigon by 4:30 p.m. Don't forget to book the tour to truly experience the peacefulness of the coconut canals and see the lifestyle here in the Mekong Delta.